Hello and welcome to How to Make Your Own 1-Minute Short Movie module, which is part of our video production course. My name is Peter Baxter and I'll be sharing some tips and techniques to help you make your very own short film. In this course, we use the terms movie and film. We are, of course, referring to the same thing when we do. Many people have a personal preference for one or the other, so we wanted to accommodate both terms. This course is divided into several sections, all designed to help you make something using the equipment that you already have. If you're serious about filmmaking, then you may invest in some more equipment such as a tripod or a stabilizer for your camera, some lights, or maybe even some external microphones. But for now, all you need is a smart device, a tablet or a phone, and an idea. By the end of this module, you will have learned how to write, storyboard, film, and edit your very own 1-minute movie. For the first exercise, I'm going to ask you to do some research on a film that you really like or a film you've recently seen. We often associate actors with films, but there are hundreds of people working behind the scenes to make each film. You'll recognize the same names appearing in a few films that you like, and then you may go and dig deeper and explore other films that they've made as a result of this. For this research, we recommend using IMDb or Google. IMDb stands for Internet Movie Database. You can access it via your internet browser or via a dedicated app. You can find this in the Play or the App Store. Simply search, click the link, and type in the name of the film that you want to research. IMDb will tell you what genre your favorite film falls into. For my example, I'm going to search for The Other Guys. It's an action comedy. You can find out who directed the movie, who edited the movie, who created the music, and lots more. Make note of any information that you find useful or interesting. You can do this in a notebook or on the worksheet provided.